Hey, welcome back. Today we're off to a slightly different challenge. The gentleman that I do odd things for, such as pick up heavy machinery, etc., has picked himself up a truck that kind of needs some repairs on the floor. So he asked me if I can give them a hand. So today I am off to do that. We're going to his shop and we're going to see what we can do. I'm going to pick up some new metal on the way, and we're going to see what we can do to fabricate some patches for the floor. It looks like somebody already patched one spot in it, so we're going to have to see just what we have to do, but I'm getting a 4x8 sheet, so we should have more than enough to do a whole floor if we have to. Let's see how this goes. There you go. So if you guys haven't heard of this place, One Stop Steel Shop, awesome place to go. So this is a Ram 4500 heavy duty. One thing, if you get the 3 seats, they're actually connected in the center. It actually comes out as a complete bench. Do not just try to take one side out, it doesn't work. You have to take the whole thing out, all 8 bolts, and then the whole thing comes out. Now the passenger side of this thing's the worst. And that's the one I'm starting on, and here's what we got so far. We got most of the cancer cut out, so because this has lifts in it, we're going to do it in separate patches so that everything sits nice and we don't end up with a whole bunch of moisture under it re-rotting it. Wow, that's crazy how much discoloration there is on this metal already. That's only been like a week or so. I didn't get this all done. As you can see, we still got lots of work to work on, and patches to fill and recreate over here. But we got the main flat part done. The reason we're doing this in pieces is because we didn't get a molded floor, try to put it in. We're piecing it together, so we're doing it in patches for that reason, so that we can keep the contour, and then we'll fill in and make it look all pretty when we're done. So as you can see, we're kind of missing part of this too, so we've got to reconstruct that holds the seat on. So but when we're all done, there won't be any holes. It's all going to be done. We got to watch out for these wires, don't want to melt them. Other side's not bad, it's only got a couple little holes. Well, there we go, welded in. Not the prettiest, but it's welded in. Now we'll seam seal it all and go from there, but no more holes, and we've reconstructed our seat post, so we're good. So we didn't get any video of the floor finished. I ended up having some other things to do, so Landon and Doug finished it off themselves, sealed it all, and then they sprayed it down with a easy liner. I suggested just to keep any moisture. It is a work truck. They don't plan on taking it out in severe weather or the winter, but still they thought it'd be good to protect it somewhat so it'll last longer. So it's all sealed, it's done, and that's it for that one. I will see you next video.